I'm Eric Welander, welcome to my channel, and here are just a few deals that I think are worth your attention this year. Starting with Lutron, last year they unveiled their new smart switch design with the Diva dimmer and Claro switch, and while I still enjoy Lutron's original line that they keep selling, the new design is a huge upgrade and probably what you want to get. And despite me always asking them to put this on sale and give you guys a discount, they never did. Until now. Starting today as this video posts on Thursday, November 23rd through Wednesday, November 29th, the Diva dimmer starter kits will be 16% off on Amazon, at the Home Depot, Best Buy, as well as other major retailers here in the US. And the Diva dimmer starter kit is the starter kit you'd want to get if you're thinking of getting into Lutron smart switches or helping a family member do the same. And these are my pick for, I think, the best smart switches out there. Now, keep in mind that if you already have a Lutron bridge or setup in your home, then this isn't a good deal because you'd be buying an extra bridge that you probably don't need. Moving on to Sonos, they are another company that rarely does good sales, but right now they have their new Era 100 speaker at $50 off, which makes it $199. This also means that a stereo pair of Era 100s is just $400. I have a stereo pair of Era 100s and they sound amazing. In some cases, I think better than Apple's HomePod 2s. And that's just a lot of great quality and features for $400. Now, speaking of Apple's HomePod, Apple's running their usual Black Friday deals starting on November 24th, and you can get up to a $50 gift card with the purchase of a full-size HomePod 2 or Apple TV 4K. Now, it's unclear as I'm recording this video what actually will get the full $50 of a gift card and what maybe will be less than that. But either way, getting an Apple gift card can make a nice gift for yourself or someone on your list. And speaking of gifts, the newer Apple TVs have gotten a lot better. They have more storage, the faster processors, support for more HD formats, not to mention a better remote that charges with USB-C. So upgrading an older Apple TV could make a great gift for someone on your list this year. Now, as I post this tomorrow on Friday, November 24th, I'll be posting another video with some affordable Apple Home ideas, which could give you some good ideas of gifts for yourself or others on your list. And in that video, I'll also be announcing a giveaway. So subscribe if you aren't already. Stay tuned for that video. And speaking of videos, I'll leave links to my reviews of all the products I've mentioned here on the screen, as well as links to the deals in the description below. And help us out in the comments and share any other Black Friday deals you're really excited about in the smart home space. And thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.